Today's Clever Lawyer Award goes to a lawyer who saved his client from a charge of chemical endangerment of a child, and he did so with baby poop. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. Baby poop. Well, how? I mean, the guy, I got to give this lawyer credit. He was very smart. I wish I had thought of this. But, so when a baby is born, the first excrement, the first baby poop, has all sorts of stuff in it from being born. Again, I'm not good at medical terms. I think it's called meconium or something of that nature, but they call it something like that, meconium. But the freshest, newest poop. Well, in this particular case, the baby had been born, and for whatever reasons, maybe the doctor suspected something, but they tested it, and they found the presence of illegal drugs in the baby poop. They said, "Mom, you have been consuming drugs, illegal drugs, and you have chemically endangered this child," which is a crime in Alabama. Go to prison for that. Well, the lawyer was clever, as I said, and he said, "Hold on. We want that baby poop tested by an independent lab because," and this is correct, sometimes the labs screw up. They get things wrong. You might write something in somebody else's chart. You might do the tests wrong. There's a number of things that can get wrong. And it was perfectly legitimate for this lawyer to say, "We want a separate test." Problem is, the people who had tested had tossed the turd. And having tossed the turd, there was no evidence. In law, when evidence is destroyed, we call it exfoliation. And that's the destruction of evidence. And it can occur in a number of ways. Sometimes it's intentional, maybe to prevent the other side from seeing. Frequently is just, hey, they don't think about it and it's tossed. But when evidence is destroyed, when exfoliation occurs, it raises a number of legal issues. So the judge had to decide. That the lawyer said, wait a second, if we can't test it, we can't have a fair trial because we can't test the critical evidence, and the charges should be dismissed. I'm sure the prosecutor had a cow and said, oh, it's good enough, it's reliable, et cetera, et cetera. The judge said, no, if they don't have a chance to have it tested and there could have been mistakes, you're not going to trial. I'm dismissing this case. So that's how a lawyer won a case, kept a person from prison because of baby poop. I hope that none of you are charged with any kind of a crime. If you are and you're here in North Alabama and you'd like our help, just give us a call here at Siegel & Siegel. The phone number's below. And if you want to be nice to us, give us a thumbs up on the video. And if you want to see more of these, I try to put them out when I can. If you want to see more legal law related videos, just hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'm Attorney Andy Siegel.